Ah, I forgot the game. Good morning. Hello. 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 Good morning. Hello. I cannot see anything. The game is open. There we go. Good morning. Hello. Got to turn on the game. Ugh. Oh, I'm very sleepy this morning. I got woken up at 2:30 because of a big thunderstorm. Moon calling? I just read that right. Okay. Yes, it is one of those mornings. Yep. Yepers. I don't know if the music's too loud or not. Should be fine. I think so. Door? Hello? Door. Yeah. Indeed. We're gonna be working on the menu. Jeez. For the game, if ever I have to fix something in your points or whatever. Maybe you don't have the right themed balloon, I'll be able to go in there. Maybe... Should I have like a search of the name or should I have like a list? We'll see when we get there. Let me open Godot. Hello, Trop. You're mid-moist this morning. Nice mid-moistness. Huh. Why do the balloons get lost? I just looked at the thing and it's it's supposed to be big enough. Mystery of life. No clarification for what? That you just get lost in the middle of nowhere. It's just yeah, kind of weird. My project is probably as big as it should be, right? Jeez, like a bunch of scooters just went by. Sounds like a bunch of mad bees. God, scooters are so loud. Yeah, you made tracks that your balloon just get lost. So, But yeah, there was a thunderstorm last night, like a pretty big one, like with a lot of rain. And, yeah. I'm half awake. Now the boyfriend's on vacation and I'm not, and I'm like, I want to go back to bed. What if they get pushed out? Like maybe there's like a weird gap in the code where like when it gets pushed by the other one, the collision doesn't happen? I don't know. That would be weird. Isn't a rainy night comfy though? Yes, until it's a downpour. Yeah, that was a loud downpour, and like with the thunderstorm, like the thunder, yeah, the booming thunder, yeah. The ghost in the shell. I don't know why the balloons do that. Whoa, that scared me. The cat just jumped off the couch, but like made a lot of noise and it scared me for some reason. Why am I scared this morning? Anywho, yeah, okay. I should probably reduce that again because it's gonna be it's gonna be annoying. Just while we work on it. Yeah, and it doesn't look like I have the second one, but the second one's supposed to place itself in the right spot. Maybe that's the problem? I don't know. Keep going, support indie devs. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna make the menu. I haven't really planned it out. Not really. We'll just deal with it. Anyway, I had like this video pulled up. Like, maybe remember how to do this. Oh my god. What? TK? Oh, is it because of the music? Yeah, I don't know if I like this one. It's too much like fake piano sounding. Maybe this one. What? Slightly better. Do. Hello, Afghans. Good morning. How's it going? Okay, let me go forwards a wee bit. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do panel container. I'm so confused now. I'm like, is it Shift A or Control A? Blender's mixing up my brain. I really need a panel. I think so. We'll see later. So I'm gonna have the admin side things where I can modify your stuff and points and stuff. And then there's gonna be an exit game button. Obviously there's gonna be a resume button, but technically it's still gonna be running in the back. I'm not actually gonna pause the game when I open that menu, because I don't want that. 50 points. What's the game about? It's the little game you see on my screen at the bottom. The little balloons that are appearing down there. It is slowly but surely getting built. There's gonna be like a fighting system eventually. Gonna be tied to Twitch's channel redeems and everything. Obviously YouTube's a little left out because no channel redeems on the YouTube side. I'll probably have to figure that one out. Probably gonna be like text-based for YouTube. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Followers are anonymous. Yeah, those little balloons you see down there. There's gonna be little themes for the balloons. Every month I'm probably gonna release some balloons. Like those desktop games, yeah. A bit like Stream Avatars, but a little more custom. A little bit more stuff added to it. Yeah. Yeah. And when my BRB scene comes on, like the balloons can go all the way up to the top. I'll just have to figure out how to move them. So far I only move my collisions, because if I just move my collision when I go do BRB, they're not gonna come back. I'll have to move them all down. Yeah, I didn't think about that detail. Anyway, back to the menu. Doesn't really matter if I center it now, because it's gonna be added to the main, probably. Center it there. Alright, let's add quit game button. Or do I want... Wait, what do I want? As far as the order goes, resume, admin, quit. Could be that. Okay. Just want to make sure there's a button, a simple button. Resume. Is it lo-fi Pokemon? Yes, it is. This is Game Chops. They do a lot of lo-fi video game stuff. I was a little tired of my my very short playlist. I didn't feel like listening to it this morning. Hello, Ploxbo. Hello. Sounds like Slow Down Azalea Town. It could be. I haven't played those games in such a long time. Couldn't tell you. Maybe that's why they put a panel container and just figured it out. Sorry. What? Could have a top collision inactivate on BRB, and well, I still have to have a high up collision because there's still an upper limit because of the screen. The higher one turn on, then reverse when you come back. I don't know. Get balloons back down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with their positioning, all of them, because I know James does it with his bees, so there's gotta be a way to do it. I think I'm mixing it up with a different town music. Could be. Again, I don't know. A Bachen, a little Bachen. This one's gonna be... Should I call it admin? What would I call it? Unless, like, I don't know. Could be another button at some point I want to add. I gotta give it a good name. Viewer... Viewer something. Viewer... Not stats. Info? I feel like info's kind of boring. It's gonna be info for now. Viewer something. Yes, viewer something. Indeed. And then we'll have the quit button, so I don't have to do Alt F4. I forgot to rename it. Oh no. Quit. Or quit game, actually, just to be sure. BGame is totally unbiased, but seems to be won by Kirsty. It's always won by Kirsty. Imagine you put like a little something in the background. You're like, this person has to win more. Viewer. Just call it viewer. Wit. There we go. Ta-da! We have a teeny weeny menu. Okay. Let's see what I can do. Not theme. Theme override. Style. Where is... Do I have like padding or something? Where would that be? Good lord. I'm too used to like CSS. It's so easy. You just write padding. That's it. What's this? Custom minimum size? No. I don't want to play with size, just want the padding. Unless... Yeah, I guess I could. Doesn't affect padding though. Nah. Okay, let's see. It's been a while. It's been a while. Mouse input, blah blah blah. What else could I do? Nah. Visibility, texture, material, ordering, nope. It's not gonna be in there. I'm not used to this. Right, back up in the little tutorial I found. Panel. That's offset? That's what it's called? Ugh, why not padding? Where would it be? Size, position, rotation, scale. It's not pivot, that's for sure. Offset transform? What? Oh. Wait. Definitely not. God. Why not just call it padding? So easy. Yes. Theirs actually takes up all the space for some reason. Mine doesn't do that. I don't continue. They do that. They don't really. Strange. My web dev brain cannot comprehend. Where's my padding? Wait, I need a visual. I need to know where it is. Add padding to panel. Hello. Oh, it's in the style box. Is it this? Expand margins, content margins. Can I cannot. Oh, I need to make it. Empty texture, just empty. Oops. Yeah, kinda. I guess that's it. Okie dokie. How much do I want? Maybe 70 on both sides. Then I'll have to add a little background to it. If only I could modify these with CSS, I would comprehend more. Whoa, not too much. Maybe like 40. There we go. Did I use the right thing? Can I not do colors in this? Not at all. Material. God, I didn't. I know they did shader material and they did like some sort of alpha thing where they have like a blur and everything. I won't be doing that. Or maybe. I don't know. Hold on. How does that work? Okay, new shader. I'm curious. Now I want to play with these. I'm like, ooh, fun. Let's put in assets. Shaders. Whoops. Bam, bam, bam. Menu. Background. Fuck. Whoa. Template nothing. Create. Oh, I see what they were doing. There's coding for shaders. Ew. I know they did it in their tutorial. I just want to see. What did they write? Where is it? I know they talk about it. And thank you for the follow. I did not hear that for some reason. But yeah, followers anonymous, welcome in. Epic Games sold ArtStation to Kid Bash. At least I think Epic was the last one. I don't even know what those are. This was weird to learn myself did the same way. Is there no padding? Ah! So annoying. Shader coding is really awesome. Another thing to figure out. Yay. I just want to get his code because I'm lazy. Where is it? No. How do you do it? There it is. Type. It looks like Does that just work as is? Sampler 2D? No, not 2D, right? Screen. Sure. Filter. What? I can read. Switch alpha, woo! Is it normal to live in constant fear of your balloon escaping? For now, it is. PlayStation is a website for game artists to showcase profiles and find freelance works. Also, lots of art tutorials on there, 2D and 3D about game art. I did not know that. The more you know. Really takes the air out of my day. No! I guess I'll write what they wrote. Oh, it is a thing. Filter. Linear meat map. Meat map. A cute little thing. What? Why is there... Oh. Oh no! There's semicolons in this. Now that's confusing. We went from like Godot coding to what is this? C#? Huh? Another scooter. The angry bees are going by. What language am I writing in? I've never used uniform either, so it's like, what? Ooh, something I need to see. And I'll put it in and I'll figure it out later. Then equals 0, 0. Okay. Fragment. I didn't use vertex. No. Was gonna use your own shader language? Odd, yeah. What is this? In fragment. Color equals texture. Screen texture. Green UV. Then what? I think that's it. Yep. Color. Color equals color. Ah. Oh, I didn't even save my scene. Oops. Oh, look at that. My mouth. Godot shading language, commonly known as GD shader, is specialized high-performance language used to create custom graphics effects in Godot Engine. It is heavily based on GLSL ES 3.0 syntax, but simplifies the graphics pipeline by combining vertex, fragment, and lighting stages into a single file. Oh boy, another thing to learn. Menu. Yep. Menu. Okay, well, I don't know if this did anything. No idea. Oh, I'm at 0, that's why. Where does it appear? Material. Shader parameters. Ah, there they are. Okay. Oh, you did that on a color rectangle though. Can I do it on the panel? I will try to make it work. I'll keep it there. At least I'll have it. 61% moist. Perfect. Not bad. Doesn't the vertex function need to do something? In his code, he doesn't have vertex. Like it's just like default stuff that appears. Called for every vertex the material is visible on. Called for every pixel for every light affecting the canvas item. I will delve deeper into that at some point. Oh boy. The way they're doing it, for them, it's like the background becomes blurred. I wanted to do it on the panels, but he's animating it. Probably when he opens it. But I don't want that. Not quite what I want. High-level programming language based on C. Ah, figures. A raid invitation? Not at the moment. GLSL is a high-level... Oh, I read that. 60% humidity in my room. For me, it's... Ah, it's the same! 60, yay! Some people are shader wizards. They can do magic with them. Yeah, I'm not there yet. Will I ever be? I don't know. We'll see. They're doing the pause. Not quite what I'm gonna be doing. Pause menu. Resume's gonna do a little something different. It's not gonna unpause the game because the game's not gonna pause. But anyway, I'll figure out the shader later. I can do it! Thank you. Oh, yeah, I didn't rename that. Should I call it pause menu? Because it technically doesn't pause. It's the admin menu. So we're gonna add a script to that. Go in scripts, please. It is very powerful and worth watching a video through on. I will eventually. Ah, tooth. The ferret walking meme? What is this? Oh, it's Pokemon still. Ferret walking. Do I know that one? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Alright, so. They don't even have ready or process. I might just remove them for now and put them back if I need them. So the first button is going to be resume. Just gonna call it resume for now. Returns a void. Whoops. Void. For now. I also need to associate escape with the menu. There's that too. Whoa. I don't even have anything? Interesting. Add new action. Menu. I'm thinking. Just call it menu. Add. There we go. Escape. Hello. Kick hug. Hello. Kick. Yeah, I said that right. Kick hug. Yeah. For some reason, my brain didn't compute that. It's like, that was wrong. No, I wasn't. Good morning. Hello. Welcome in. Anyway, escape is mapped. Alright, let's continue his little stuff. See if there's stuff. He just did escape like I did. I went ahead of him. I'm surely gonna... I'm gonna call it toggle menu. Because it's technically gonna toggle, because if you redo escape, it's gonna close the menu again. I know I technically don't need the resume button if I have just escape that I can just press twice, but I don't know, it's just for my brain. I had to vent. It will be small. Damn it, my controller pisses me off sometimes. What? Your controller is in your gaming controller? Too many buttons. If input is action. Shouldn't you give it to me? Is action press, right? Do I have it elsewhere? I don't think so. Not in this game. They're all just pressed, so the signals. It's not in there? No. Menu. Controller works fine for menu, but the game does not see it randomly. What? Controllers come on all different sizes. It's not the size, it's how you use it matters. Well, it depends what type of controller we're talking about. If it's a physical controller like this one, well, if your hands are too big, it might not be very comfortable to play with. But it's 1:30 in the afternoon over here in the Nordic region. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good afternoon. Wise words. Kind of. Kind of gloomy this morning. Obviously we had a thunderstorm, so yeah. Oh, you didn't add. No, I don't want to pause the menu. Pause. They do the pause, but I don't want the pause. Oh, then again, I don't have any association with the main game yet. Technically, menu could be in the main directly now I think about it. It's just gonna be invisible. Yes, I'm in Canada. Indeed, indeed. Which has tiny controllers. People seem to have fun with it. True. Some people seem to like them. Okay, I'm just gonna print for now. Print. Escape. What did I do? Oops. Oops. What did I do wrong? Oh. This is... Whoops, no. Wrong way. Oh my god, my brain. The brain. Okay. Xbox Elite Series 2, I can load a game and a controller navigates the in-game menu, but refuses to function within the game. Huh. That's annoying. Oh, games sometimes do stuff that are strange. Blah blah blah. I don't want to play any animations. That's why I thought pop it into the main. Did I just do it from here? No, that would have been too easy. Oh, I'm gonna close a few things. I've got too many things open. Scenes. Menu. Can I just... Yep. Yippers. Canvas layer. Okay. Boop. There we go. Ta-da! I'm going somewhere. Not very fast, but going somewhere. We'll get there one day. It's just for the menu. And then, hold on, I have to see what else. Oh my god, so many balloons. What else we had in the docket, in the things we have to do. Ah! YouTube video playing at the same time, don't want that. Notion. Why are you there, Notion? Open. That's not quite what I was trying to open. What the heck? Close that. Alright. This is what we have. Oh my god. We have quite a few things to do. I like your knitted guy on the mic. Thank you. I did not make him. I bought him. Yeah. He's just hanging out. Whee! Boing. He's a little crooked. Yeah, and I still haven't done like all my decor behind me. It's still kind of a mess back there. Ugh. Hi. Yes. Alright. So right now we're doing this here right now. Oh yeah! Pop balloon! I forgot about that. I need another button. No, it's gonna be in the viewer stuff, isn't it? Gonna be another... How can I... There is the question. Am I gonna just like flip through containers when I switch the button? How am I gonna do that? There. Okay, for the video, I can't see myself. There we go. I'll figure that out later. I guess it's gonna be in another thing where there's gonna be a pop balloon on the viewer. Animations on quit. Right. Ah, yes, I could do my quit. Yes, yes. Bang, bang. Yep. Connect. On quit pressed. We are gonna quit the whole game. What is it? Get tree quit. Simple enough. Watching a web dev be a game dev is interesting, just seeing the different ways to do the same thing. Yeah, or maybe it's just my brain being weird. Could be that too. You haven't seen any CSS or JavaScript, so there's that. Sorry. But yeah, my brain thinks different for like CSS stuff, that's for sure. Any like styling and stuff. Any other thing else I could do? What they do? Keep process. Why? Okay, they do it in the process. Weird. Many ways to skin a cat, just interesting to see another way. Yep. Yep, indeed. It was like in the tutorial. Okay, blah, 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 okay, bye. What a weird way of ending a video. It's like, could say like maybe subscribe if you enjoy good old YouTube stuff. Okay. See my red costumes. No, not quite. Anyway, what was I doing? Okay, unquit press. Quit the game. I'm hearing a bird. I don't know what bird that is. Burbs. Burbs. Alright. Now, how do I make my menu appear? That is the question. Back to me. Where is the not snapping wheel mode? I know there's a way of like placing the item. Oh, there it is. You're gonna be in the middle. Whoa. Okay, my anchor's in a weird spot.
Should work. It's a basket in the
sky. In other news, you find so many oddities and hobby tools on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah. Oh, I can't stop yawning. Where? Wait. Hold on. Can I just change my center point easily? Wow. Sorry, I'm just gonna change my position a little bit. The local seagulls have been going absolutely bonkers this summer, just yelling about everything. Yeah, we don't have that many seagulls here. I used to have them at the other apartment, but here, not really. It's more like little birds. And crows. Lots of crows. Okay, let's see. This node doesn't have a control parent? Huh? Huh? I knew the added canvas layer, but what does it add? I'm not sure. I'm just meh. They always do, you're just noticing this year. Sometimes they're worse. I feel like when it was closer to spring, when I was in the apartment, like spring, summer-ish, they were pretty loud where I was. It was just like, I wouldn't stop. And then they were pretty silent. They stopped screaming. So I don't know. Depends on how they're feeling. And oh my god, there's a big truck going by. 2 of them, actually. God. Lots of construction in summer, right? That's why it's so loud. Okay. Kind of annoying that I... Unless... No, still not. Ah, where's my center point there? Why? Same thing with Blender. It's like, why are you there? Can I move this? Whoa! Woohoo! What does that do? Not sure. What did I do? Wee! Wee! No idea. Huh? What is this? Anchor is centered. Maybe it's on my menu? Oh yeah, that might be it. That might be it. What if I enter everything? Nope, still does the same thing. Why? Help? Anybody know how to center stuff? To make my origin point centered? Yeah, okay, let's figure it out. Godot. Center origin point. I can't type. Remove the offset? Is that what it is? But I still need padding. Remove origin point. Nope, that's in 3D. What? Hold on. No, I can't do that with 2D. Was it added? Good question. Oh, I forgot to write 2D. It's giving me like 3D stuff. Ah! I didn't mean to do that. Site. Nope. I don't want the site 2D. Not the camera. I have a node. Parent it to another node and move that parent node. Well, that's annoying. I don't want that. It's the pivot point. Ah, that makes sense. It's kind of annoying though. I don't wanna... Well, it's not... Oh, wow. Oh, that's gonna take forever. I just want to center it. I don't want to do that by hand. Can you center the root? I don't think that's how it works. It's really the pivot point, but I wish there was like a... something to say, yeah, go in the middle, pivot point. Please. 119 and 140. But I don't want to do that by hand. What if I had more buttons, you know? Can I calculate that? Probably. If only we had flags. Well, I don't think that would help it though. Maybe a little bit. But yeah, it's just the origin point that's causing problems. Pivot. Calculate. Can I take the offset from the editor? No, that's not what I need. Why is it so complicated? if you want to change the size changes, I think you would have to make a script to do it. Ugh. Damn it. Fine. Kind of figured pivot point on my sprites. It's not possible out of the box. Nah, do math input boxes if your sprite blah blah blah. Outside X. Use Node 2D as parent. Okay, now how do I I guess it would be on ready. I'd have to calculate the pivot point for the panel. Ew. Gross. That's rude. Oh yeah, but that doesn't fix it though. Hold on. Stretching. Okay. Like, it centers itself, kind of. It tried to center, but this is the problem. It's kind of not centered. This is what I'm trying to move here, to put it in the middle of this is what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna do a script. Screw that. Ready. Void. I'm gonna directly put the panel directly in. Can I? Transform pivot. It's like. Godot script. Move. Pivot. 2D. Rotate. No, I don't want to rotate. So hard to find stuff sometimes. Blah. You put inside a node, for example, that. No, I don't want to pivot. Pivot! Like bringing a couch in. Should be an under layout anchor. There is a setting. I hope so. I don't want to code it. Because, layout anchor. Oop. Layout anchor brain. Hello? Layout mode. Anchors. Ah. Well, maybe that'll work. Do I not just? Oh, there we go. Center. That's better. There we go. Ah. Full react. Nah. There we go. Is it centered? Yes, it is. That's it. That is it. Oh, Godot settings. It's so far into the stuff sometimes. It's like, where is it? Yay! We found it. Yippee! Whoa! Ah, yikes. Okie dokie. Where was I? What was I doing before we got there? Adding it to the main. Now I need to figure out how to open it, close it. But don't you want? No, I don't care. I want it to be screen captured. I really don't care. I don't have a choice, kind of. Or no, I don't want it separate. I don't really care if you guys see it or not. I mean, it's just points and balloon thematics. The rest is not gonna be shown. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm yawning so much today. Ah. It's one of those mornings. But it's like worse. You know, like how you have like sticky eyes and you're just like, ah, I just want to sleep. Oh yeah. Cool. And it should appear. Yay, we have buttons. Woo, I am the boss. I am indeed. It should still have balloons appearing, yes. Yes, it does. And if we do quit game, ta-da! That one works. Obviously, it's not supposed to appear right now. About the escape button. The escape key. Hold on. What is that code? Is that in the main or is that in the menu? I guess it is in the menu. Did they just do... Huh. Only pause. That's all we do. Hmm. Maybe... No, the animation play wouldn't fix my problem. Test. About... I'm like, how do I make it appear, disappear now? I'm at that point, but they don't explain that part at all in the video. Like, it's probably really simple. It's just that, like, I have this perfectionist brain that's like, I want the most optimal way of doing it. Oh, that's easy? Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay, that's done. Oh, okay, it's easy. Now you gotta explain. I'm like, Pause button. I don't want to pause. I don't really want to pause. Call a pause menu, but that's not quite what I need. Eh. Just have an input if whatever key you want to use is hit. Huh? What? Excuse me, what? What are you saying? Just visibly on and off? It would probably be that, I'm guessing, but would the function be in the menu or would it be in the main? I think it would be in the menu probably. Or not. Maybe if I don't call it pause. The exit, get tree quit. That's not what I went. Figured it out. Just a process if input, the exit. Nope, that's also not it. To your main script. Figured. Yeah, because I have to call the canvas layer, which I will rename probably. Oh, jeez. Stop yawning! As I said to myself. Nope, wait. Oh, good lord. There's a lot. There's a lot in the main. Oof. GUI scene that oversees and manages the present GUI overall. Blah blah blah. I just want a visual. Ah! I can't see. I see I'm yawning again. You could have a yawn counter for me this morning. I'm just not awake enough to, like, be crazy good at coding and stuff, you know. If event is input key and something... something pressed. funk input event. Would I put that? Yeah, I'll put it with ready. It keeps doing stars. It's doing stars. So annoying. Twitch. Automodding. If is works, okay. Whoops, I should have just clicked it. Me. And you'll have to assign node to the object you want to hide show. Yeah. I'll have to check also, see if it's already visible to like toggle it. I don't know how I want to sit. I just want to roll up in a ball on my chair. I have my knees up right now. You guys can't see that. Nope, stop ya. Nope, no more yawning. Stop it. Oh no. It doesn't stop. Make it stop. Hello, Mohammed. Hello. Welcome in. Escape. Yes. Huh? There's like stars. What am I writing? Or I don't like Tuesdays. I don't like the week right now. But I'm like, I just want to go back to bed. I feel so tired this week for some reason. At least I'll be able to sleep on Friday, but I don't know. Not yawning. Can't stop it. How many times have I yawned? Oh, Evan died his breath. That's what happened. I was like, what? What's going on? Okay, and then what do I do? Yes, if didn't. I think some people do something though. Code equals E kit E escape, and then no dog visible troop. I'm gonna have to check and see. It's gonna be the whole canvas layer, probably admin layer. So if I just do, yeah, let's show. Yeah, that's it. It's like, huh? You're trying to add a website? What are you doing? So if admin layer, assuming visible, does that just send true? I'm gonna assume it does. I hope it does. Oh. God damn it. Different types of coding. I mean, it could have been like directly true. Yeah, maybe not. Let's try it. Let's see if it bugs or not. If it's true, then it's false. Visible. Just visible equals false. Simple enough. Equals false. Whoops. Habit. Else. Same, but true. Maybe it'll work. Who knows? Change of position. I kind of wish I still had a standing desk. Maybe standing would get me to be more awake. Think of yawning makes me yawn. Why? This is the yawning stream, everybody. Yippee! But use this fun check for any key input. Yes, indeed. I see. It is indeed that. Boing, 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 boing. So naturally, it's gonna have to be invisible when we start the game. But it works. It works. And resume does nothing yet. Gonna basically have the same function as this. Okay, let's start it invisible, and then it should be fine. Ta-da! Cool. That was simple. Did I intend it to be at mic level? It shouldn't be at mic level. Maybe it's just like really loud for some reason. Like right now it's at minus 27 dB. Oh yeah, the music's just really loud for no reason. This one particular song, maybe? I'm in a state this morning. I am in a state, indeed. Another triumph, an easy one. Whoa. And I help, said in the creepy little girl's voice with the old shake and bake. What? Oh, now I'm curious. I don't think I've seen those. Old shake and bake commercial. Hello? No, not. I'm in my dashboard and it doesn't work. Bake and bake commercial. 28 minutes, 27 now. Oh god, okay, hold on. That's creepy. Come on. It's not working. Hold on. Why is Vivaldi not capturing? Hey, that's someone I know. Hello. Hello, hello. Tenvier, hello.
Fried chicken?
If you can keep a secret, I use shake and bake now.
You do?
Oh, sure, I'll show you. First we shake, then we bake.
Mother, why isn't my fried chicken as crispy and juicy? I want your recipe. Grandma didn't fry.
But it's crispy like fried.
Can I help? It's shake and bake, and I help.
Shake and bake coating mix. It's better than frying.
What is this? I don't remember that. I don't think I've ever seen that. Ever. And I help with the accent. And I help. Oh boy. Setup changed a bit. Tiny bit. Just a bit. Not just the setup, but yeah. Just a bit. Oh my goodness. Help. Help. To clip that and make it the help sound. And I helped. Nah. I prefer the help. Oh, it's a hair. Tickling me. Alright, so now we have the input event. Now for the main menu, menu. When we click resume. That's gonna be annoying. Is it a different room? It is a different place entirely. Yay. It should be help, not help. True. And I helped. Ew. Okay, so we have quit. We have... why did I do toggle menu again? This is useless. Bye-bye. Hey. This is also kind of useless because it's gonna be on resume press. I move partially. Yes, indeed. Partially, I still have stuff I need to move in. But yeah, I'm no longer in the city, and it's so barren of like Pokestops. It's, oh my god, I have to go so far away just to get a Pokestop. It's so weird. I I actually have to walk. Oh no! At least when I go to work, I get lots of Pokestops. Again, are we at 100 yards now? Holy crap! What is? I need actual caffeine, not just decaf. Hello. I wonder if I can. I could probably call it from menu, right? Can I do that? I'm gonna have to go in menu, resume, signals. Do 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 do. Your house is Pokemon Gym. Lucky you. I like that. I could get coins all day. Does that make you a gym leader? Yeah, you gotta fight Trop. And there's like bakery stuff, maybe. When you fight him. Pokemon would that fit? Fido? What other Pokemon is bakery themed? Except Fido and its evolution. The evolution's name again. I forget. Just landlord. Yeah, the 3D model my room's gonna change a tiny bit. Oh my god. Every time I think I'm done and I won't be yawning again, it happens. Can I call it from here? Or is it gonna be like, it's not in the scope, you can't do that. I don't think so. Just baguettes flying everywhere? Oh my god! You're attacked by baguettes! Okay, I'll pass on that. I'll come back to that. I'm too sleepy. And then for the viewer stuff. Here's where it gets iffy. Do I have... Hold on, do we have... Nope, that's not it. That's not it! Do I have another window open? I do. I do! Like, I'll show you guys what I mean by the Fido Pokemon. If you don't play Pokemon, obviously you wouldn't know which one I'm talking about. Fido. Pokedex. This little guy. Fido. Nice little wordplay with dough. Fido ferments things in its vicinity using the yeast in its... Ew. What? What? What a weird skill. Oh yeah, it's Darkspawn. Yeah, that's the evolution. I moved a little too. I'm now one step near really. Yes, you're going. Nice. Yeah, I started a new one for the room. Started the desk. That's the same thing, but baked. I mean, Darkspawn. You give it a weed to evolve it? No, I think it just evolves. Yeah, it just evolves with its level. Yeah, that's the only one I can think of that's bakery themed. Is there another one? I don't think so. I mean, there's like coffees and teas and stuff. Well, more like tea. Sinistea, like a tea, but you get baked when you smoke. But no, it just levels 26. That's it. Didn't know this streams also happen on YouTube. Yep. I have to go back to work. Have a great day. Have a good work. Hello, reveal, and goodbye. It'd be weird if there were lots of bakery themed Pokemon. Why not? Whoa. Like muffin Pokemon? Like there's a chandelier Pokemon for Pete's sake. Why not? Can I have like a full chart of like all of them? What's before him? Oh. Mouse hold. I see. Yeah. Either 3 or 4. I haven't evolved mine yet. Mouse. Yeah. Let's see. Can I find a full chart of... not what I meant to do. Full chart of all of them to see all of them. Oh, good lord. Yeah. There's a lot of them. I don't think I'd find like bakery themed Pokemon that easily. Oh god, I'd have to scroll infinitely and be like, ah yes, close enough, but not quite. You'll be a little nearer, tiny bit, not by much. Yeah, Italy is not quite on the same time zone. Oh my god. Ah, I want my primal Groudon. This week, maybe. We'll see. Tomorrow is gonna be a Groudon raid hour. Quickly, I don't see anything that would be bakery themed other than Fido. I'm looking quickly, so I could be missing stuff. Just keep going and going and going. There is no end. Where did they get inspiration for this? Then again, you look at Chandelure and you're like, okay, I see. Yeah, they just normal everyday items. Just make a Pokemon out of it. Yep, easy to make Pokemon. Some of them are so weird looking though. Like the where are they? These guys, the ones that finished by Horus. I don't like them. Or Urus. I don't like how they look. I hate when they look humanoid too. I'm like, ugh. No thank you. Appleton is an apple hand pie? Oh, like Applin? Like Applin has like these evolutions. Flapple, Appleton. There's one missing. There should be another one. Let's see if I type just apple. Should be 2 more. Oh no, it's Craplock. There it is. Hydro Apple, but it's not really bakery themed. Diplin. Yeah, there's so many apple stuff. Ew, what are these? Ew. I've never seen a lot of these. What the heck? What the heck? I haven't played the last game, so I might be missing a few legendaries. Yeah, there are some weird looking ones. Oh, is that Suicune? But like... Koraidon I know, and Miraidon. Those two I know. Here we go! Alcremie? Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, kind of. Lurpuff? Yeah. Yeah, kind of. I feel like Fido's the most bakery themed though. Military. All cream. All cream. Not enough food. Pokemon. We need more. More food. That would be weird. They just release a whole bunch of just food Pokemon. Huh. Didn't know Pumpkaboo had like a whole bunch of size stuff. I mean, it's the same Pokemon. Why would it have a few more entries? Weird. Don't eat your Pokemon, but why? They look so tasty. No, I wouldn't. Yeah, Fido is definitely the main one for bakery. Ew, I'm not sure. Do I like that? But can I see the Mega? Not that bad. It looked weird, small. Vanillux! I forgot about that one. The ice cream, yeah. Vanillite, Vanillux, and... What's the other one's name? Forget. Kind of shocked they don't have a donut one. Or a cinnamon bun. Oh, yeah. Maybe soon. Maybe in Winds and Waves. Who knows? Anyway, we really went off on a tangent there. Anywho. So on Viewer Pressed is also gonna have its little thing, and I was busy looking up.
They don't have engines, they don't have wings. Shouldn't
what I
work.
want to do.
It's a basket in the sky.
Yes, the hot air balloons are indeed working. They do look nice. You should have your purple balloon if it hasn't disappeared. Ooh, I don't know whose balloon that is. I don't know if it's Debutable or Tenveer. We seem to have a balloon missing. Ah, disappeared again. Oh, you're Alpha. Okay, good. Good. Easier to figure out. I'm not gonna debug that. I'll have to like open the game and like watch it for like an hour and be like, are the balloons disappearing? What's happening? Do I have my collisions on? Don't. I just want to see something. Hello? Did I not click? I guess I didn't. Yeah, it's completely covering everything. So I don't know why the balloons are disappearing. Maybe the timer ends early or something and it's like, well, you're done. Bye-bye. No more balloon. You'll have to make a mug on fourth wall of hot air balloons and clouds. We'll see. Maybe. We'll see about merge. Yeah, it's completely covered, so it shouldn't be able to escape. Although... Don't like where it spawned. It spawned awfully close to that collision wall. Just watched mine today. What has been the anomaly where it didn't disappear? It's been in the lower left corner. Yeah. Still there. Still there. Yeah, they're still there. Maybe it's a... No. You appeared, right? You appeared and then just disappeared, so it's not the spawn. What would make it disappear? Very strange. Hi? Hello? Whoa! Well, we might have found the problem. Well, okay. What? There it is. The spawn. Well, wait, hold on. Spawn. So thank me later. Sorry, just microphone. Oh, I think it's in balloon. Spawn. Change chosen. Position balloon. So. Is it position balloon? Wait, hold on. Yes, should be. Spawn limits. Ah, I send my spawn limits. Okay. Manage balloon. I think spawn limits. Where do they come from? Where did it come? Where did it go? Where did it go from? God, now go. There it is. Spawn limits. Okie dokie. So top spawn. I did it by hand. Or maybe... Huh? Why did it spawn on a weird spot? Interesting. Wait, what? Bottom wall. That's my bottom wall, then bottom span. I think it's too close, but how could I calculate the distance? If I could just like get the middle in between these two, have them spawn directly in the middle instead of using pixels. It would be like the position Y of the top one or the bottom one minus... No, that wouldn't work. Because then I still have to figure out... When the spawn limit is equal to the barrier... There I went. No! No! Disappeared. Yeah, I kind of want to have them spawn in the middle though. Bye! Oh! What the heck? What the hecky? Oh, yo. It escaped. No! No! Okay. Brain. Okay, so top and bottom wall. If we... I need to visualize it in my brain. It's like top wall, bottom wall. I need to get the middle position of that. What's the math on that? Oh, I'm too tired for this. I'm so tired for math. It's so simple, probably. Ah. Brain. Come on. So basically it's gonna be this number. Can I print two things at once? I'm just gonna do just do a space. Yeesh. Does this work? Or is this just console log? Nope. Okay, that's good. Nope, it doesn't like it. Ha! I can't do like console log. Ah! JavaScript stuff. Ay. Just gonna do it one after the other then. Fine. Wait, that's Stardew, isn't it? Yes. Stardew and sleep? Anybody want to sleep? Is that why I'm yawning? Good morning. Hello. Mort. I couldn't see because the blue was really fuzzy on the background there. But hello, welcome in. Nope, that's StreamerBot. Why did I open StreamerBot? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so those are the numbers. So I want the middle of... How do we math again? Oh my god. Is it that plus that divided by 2? Is that it? Brain. Wait. I can't do math anymore. Let's do 576 plus 690 divided by 2. That's kind of the middle. Is that the middle? I think it is. That would work. Tights. Oh my god. No. You guys are outside the bounds. No. Use the nose location as the mini spawn? No. No, because if I use the collision as the spawn, that's the problem. It's gonna still spawn on a weird spot. No one can math at this time of day, but I think I got it. It's the, because I want to spawn here, like, here, not there, like here. Wow! So that is the math, I think. So it would be, bottom. Oops. Plus top. I can stop it. I don't need the balloons anymore. And then divided by 2. Don't need print anymore. So this should work. So my Y should be fine. The X doesn't matter, does it? Maybe. We'll see. So now I go to work in 5 minutes. Ugh. Okay. You seem to have spawned in the right spot. Whoa. You came in fast. Came in like a wrecking ball. Yes, that's... Okay, so far you guys are appearing in the right spot. A little high for my liking, but... Seems alright. Daedric, hello! Hello, welcome in. He came in like a... I mean, wrecking ball. Wait. Oh no, it's there. I was like, wait, do we have a balloon missing? I think... Yeah, big balloon energy! Yes! So that should be fine. Should work fine. Will we still have disappearing balloons if I leave it there? We need me. We need me to appear. Hold on. See if I break things. Nope. Still good. Oh. Shit. I did disappeared. No! Okay, so I do need them to spawn them way after the collision wall. Ah. Add a wrecking ball to balloon art ideas. How would that work? Because a wrecking ball hangs the other way around, not... Not sure. Okay, so the X does have to be fixed too. 69! Oh ho ho! Oh ho ho, 69! Yeah, we did moist earlier. The shop was 60%, so am I. 60%, yes. Still quite warm though. It's 26 degrees, even though the window's open. It doesn't feel like it's that hot. That hot. What's the project about? It's making little balloons for you guys on screen and eventually adding a fighting system and stuff. Right now I'm working on fixing bugs. There's one bug where balloons just disappear when they spawn, apparently. And also adding a menu. I've added a menu this morning. So far this one doesn't work. These two don't really work. I can quit the game and have my escape work. Woohoo! And then quit. There we go. Yay! Guns! Yeah, that's gonna be after I get channel redeems. I think the fight system's only gonna be available on the Twitch side. I feel like it wouldn't be spammy if I did it on the YouTube side. It would have to be through chat. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Spawn limits. Did I just hard code it? Top spawn, bottom. Oh, I don't have side spawns. Wait, where do I side spawn? Probably in the blue. I'm assuming. Oh, display fix position. Spawn limits, top, bottom, sides. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna add more than 10. Just to be sure it spawns properly. Wait. Hold on. Why do I randomize that? Why do I bother? Oh, I randomize it so oh, it's either or. Left or right. I see. You have points. Indeed. You do have points. Attack cost points. The points is more for the shop system to get new balloons and stuff and new weapons. I think the channel redeems are gonna be more the fighting stuff. I'm gonna separate both currencies. Though if attacks cost points, kills should award points. But yeah, that's the thing. The channel redeems are gonna be used for attacking, but then the points are gonna be, you know, you're gonna get points for like hitting someone or lose points depending on whatever, either or. Yeah, you're gonna be stealing somebody's points, basically. You have 5 points, woohoo! Yippee! You've been here 5 minutes. Maybe more, because it is a timer of 5 minutes. Better than 0. That is true, that is true. Ah, there's 1 minute left. So little. Oh, actually, yep. 8:30. Oh dear. Oh dear. It is time. Time for me for meeting time. More like wondering what the heck I'm gonna do all day at work again. Everybody's on vacation. I'm the one, like, handing out tasks again. And, like, when tasks come in, I'm like, I'm gonna do it myself because I'm bored. I'm like, oops. Not giving anybody tasks because I'm so bored. Doing Sudokus and newspaper? No, I have to figure out something to do. Like, I go around some of our old websites and figure out if there's bugs and try to make them better. It's just so boring. It's fun when you find something to do and you're like, ooh, this thing's really badly made. Let me redo it. Like, it's great. But then it's like, now what? What do I do? Task handler. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, who are we rating? Well, why does it keep doing that? Okay, let's see. Oh, Mikey's streaming.
And then let's do red shield.
This person has come on our stream, on this stream, a few times. They usually do art. Right now they're playing. If you're into big ball
bosses.
bosses,
Up in the game. I've been playing it really quietly.
Follow him. But let's go there just for fun.
Relationship there. Yeah, the married,
see what they're up to. Alright, let's raid out. I hope you guys have a great day. Rating my sap rep. Oh, sap. Yeah. Yeah, we don't call them that here. I don't know what they'd be called here. I'm not even sure. Oh my goodness, stretch.
Have you watched
Later, so I'll be there tomorrow for some Hollow Knight. It's still not an office day tomorrow because it's a Godot raid day. And I don't want to be late. That's why I'm not going to the office. I am going on Thursday. I was supposed to be today, but
squeaky clean. Hell
I
yeah,
do have
brother.
to go.
Hell yeah.
I mean, not go anywhere, but I have this little training thing that I have to do for my volunteer work this
I'm
weekend.
sorry if you have told me about this.
Yeah, and
Were you,
I told you
were you an
hello
OG
and
Halo
goodbye.
player back in the day at
So,
all?
raiding out. Oh no. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for some Hollow Knight. An hour and a half of Hollow Knight. And then Thursday is going to be Blender, since I'm not going to be streaming on Friday. I'll see you guys then. I kind of moved. Halfway moved.
That suicide
Yeah.
run is insane.
Yeah, kind of. Halfway. Yeah, that's why it's kind of still half empty behind me. It's not very pretty. Not yet. With the mate. That's a way of putting it. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Boyfriend. Yes. Alright, bye 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 bye. Ready?